Hey guys, my name is Bree and I am back with another video. So if you guys would like the tea on this unit, then stay tuned.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and let's talk about this unit. I am wearing a Model wig in their V-shape collection, and here's the stock card. And I have it in the color number 1, and the style is EV003. And this is the back of the stock card. So it has a whole bunch of really cute different colors. And this wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees, which is pretty good because that's pretty hot. So let's talk about the construction of this unit. So it has your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and the 2 adjustable straps. And this wig is big head friendly, so it definitely has a pretty good fit to it. I have mine on the last notch, and I would like it to be a little tighter, but this wig ain't going nowhere, so I'm fine. So this wig is a light, yaki textured wig, so it definitely has a really nice texture to it, and it's really soft and amazing. And these layers, y'all, these layers really frame the face, and it's light layers, so it's not too much. And that's why I like this wig, because it's really simple. Like, it's saying something, but it's not saying too much, but saying enough, like, you know. So also too, the most important part is that this parting space. So when I got this unit out the packet, I was so amazed about how the scalp came. It came really pretty good, actually. So you really don't have to do that much plucking to this unit, but I did go ahead and pull some hairs because that's just me. But if you'd like to see how I customize my units, I'm going to leave a link down below from my last video so you guys can check out how I do that to my wigs. But yes, this parting space is really good. So if you're new to wearing wigs, this is definitely a beginner friendly wig. You don't have to do that much manipulation to it at all. And I didn't even have to put a flat iron to it in order to make the top flat, because sometimes the wigs come in like a cone shape, but I didn't have to add any heat or product to it at all, which is really good. This is a long unit. I want to say it's about 24 inches, so it is long, which means that you will need to bring a brush with you so you can brush this girl out, because you don't want to be out thinking you cute and you have a long, tangly synthetic wig. So bring a brush with you and you'll be good to go, and you'll be fine. Model, y'all really did y'all thing with this wig. I'm not finding any cons at all. The only potential issue, like I said, is eventually, because it is a long unit, you will have some tangling. But I'm not getting any shedding at all, which is really good. And that says a lot about the longevity of the wig, because it's not shedding right now. And I don't know why it's called V-shaped. Like, I was sitting down last night before I made this video, and I'm just like, why is this wig called V-shapes? And I came up with all these theories that didn't make any sense. But Model, listen, I don't care if it was a V-shape, K-shape, P-shapes. Y'all did y'all thing on this unit. So kudos to you guys. So I also feel like this wig will look really cute on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and show you guys how that looks. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks to the side. So as you can see, this is a really cute unit. Like, I really like the fact that it's versatile in how you can wear the wig either in the middle or on the side. But yeah, so I didn't do that much when I flipped it over. I was gonna come on camera and show you guys how I flipped it, but my braids, they're screaming for help. They're in SOS mode right now. So I really didn't want to embarrass myself. So I really just flipped it over to the side, and that was pretty much it. But as you guys can see, this unit looks so cute on the side. Okay guys, I am back, and I flipped the wig right back in the middle. But as you guys can see, this wig is bomb. I really do love how 1 minute I could wear it in the middle, next hour I could flip it to the side. Like, I really do love this unit. I would honestly say this is one of my favorite units. Like, I would purchase this wig again. So this is definitely on one of my top fave wigs. Now, yes, the wig is bomb, the texture is bomb, the parting is bomb, but it was under $40. So if you guys like to save your coins like me, then this wig is definitely for you. So if you are on a budget and you want to slay and look cute, then this wig is awesome. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.